What happens when you ignore storage warnings on your phone? 1. Your phone becomes slow and laggy when storage is almost full. Apps take longer to open, scrolling stutters, animations freeze. Why? Your phone needs free space to work like temporary memory. Without it, the system struggles. 2. Apps start crashing or refusing to open. You'll know dates fail. Big security risk. When storage is full, Android/iOS updates won't install, security patches are skipped. Result: your phone becomes more vulnerable to bugs and malware. 5. Your battery drains faster. Low storage forces the phone to reprocess files repeatedly. Overwork the processor, that extra work equals more power usage. 6. Data corruption and file loss risk. This is the dangerous part. Files may become unreadable, apps can lose saved data, system files can break. In extreme cases, the phone may get stuck in a boot loop, require a factory reset 7. Emergency functions may fail. Important things that can stop working. Calls not connecting. Messages failing to send emergency recordings, not saving. That's why storage warnings are not cosmetic. How much free storage is safe? Rule of thumb, keep at least 5 to 10 gigabytes free or 15 to 20% of total storage. Example, 64 gigabyte phone. Keep approximately 10 gigabytes free. Storage warnings are not about space. They're about your phone's survival.